Howdy, my name is Cole Eckhart. I'm the class of 2026, and I did my project over the king ragworm. So, an introduction to king ragworm, also known as a Lidovirens in the scientific world. They're a polychaete organism under the Annelida phylum. Because they're Annelida, they're going to be segmented. They tend to inhabit mudflats as well as shallow waters. And they're found in many different environments all over the world. So they typically feed on marine organisms. They're omnivores, so they feed on plankton and also other small microscopic organisms. They usually procure their food by secreting a mucus web at the entrance of their burrow. So they'll go down into those mud flats and they'll, at the kind of entrance, put a little mucus web that traps the organisms, and they go up there. And because they're protosomes, they develop their jaw early on, so that's what they use to feed. They're prey to a multitude of organisms such as eels, crabs, and many birds. And so in this diagram, we can see the pharynx, which is this whole part up here. That's going to help them eat and obtain food. And then they've got a ventral nerve cord that runs down here. It's not labeled, but it goes all the way down. It's going to help their sensory organs, like their eyes and their tentacles. They're going to be able to feel out a little bit better. They've got these parapodia that helps them move around and then also procure their food. Then down here, we've got the anal cavity. So some developments on the evolutionary scale. They have a complete gut. They possess a closed circulatory system. That closed circulatory system is going to help them better move nutrients through their bloodstream. And it's not going to waste as much energy doing that. So also earlier, they still have that nerve cord. We went over that earlier. And the parapodia. And then on the tree of life over here, they're going to fall under eukaryotes. So you go all the way down, they're going to be on animals right here. We've got the animal tree right here of Animalia. They're going to go down, and they're going to be under protosomes. You keep going down, they're trochozoans, and they're on Annelida. So this dashed line means we don't know exactly if that's where they fit on Annelida, but somewhere around there most likely. And so here's a picture of a king ragworm. They're pretty vibrant, as you can tell. And then in the natural world, they're predators, but they just feed on a variety of different organisms. They are scavengers, so we think that by decomposing and just kind of helping break down these organisms, that they're actually reducing the amount of carbon dioxide emissions. So that's one way they're useful to us. They're also useful to humans as fishing baits. So they're typically in European and Asian countries are used as fishing baits, and in Asia as well. They're also used and fried, most likely, to be eaten by humans. And so they're also pretty inexpensive. So scientists tend to use them to test basic marine and anatomic variables in their trials. And here are my works cited. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great